How to make your phone vibrate continuously without an application. Hello, everybody. If you guys also would like to do so, you may follow up the steps. So you can utilize your device's built-in settings for that. Head over to your settings for that, open it up, and then once you open up your settings, you may just scroll through the options given and look out for option called sounds and vibration and tap on it and open up sounds and vibration. After that, select the second mode called Vibrate from Sound Mode. And once you select it, whenever you are having a call or anything else, your phone will automatically vibrate even if you're having notifications. So you may look out for this option called Call Vibration Pattern, where you can select up the pattern of your vibration that you would like on your device. Similarly, if you would like to set up notification vibration pattern, you can tap on it and select up different notification vibration pattern as well. After that, you can look out for your vibration intensity as well, like what intensity you like and your system sound, your vibration control. Look out for that option and select up your vibration control from these options as well and turn and set it up. And that's it. So if you do not want to use any other application apart from your device's own settings, you can just follow up this process and make your phone vibrate continuously without even an application. So therefore, that is it. So that is it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.